Transformation is in levels. It's Mother Ego here. Let's talk about getting from one level to another. It's so funny when we see and observe people in their glory, their victory. We don't know that it may have taken 10 years, 20 years, 30 years to get where they are. And on their path, they accumulated all sorts of experiences that are assisting in accumulating, in sustaining whatever they've built. So, when you're starting out and you're transforming yourself into your greatness, into a business, into a good character individual, every transformation is in levels. Life moves in spirals. It's not a one-way shot. You get on the ladder and just keep going up. No. The way I've observed, you may appear to go up, then situation and life comes where you have to test everything you've learned, strengthening your character, your faith, your patience, your level of forgiveness. Every area in your life is quite tested through this transformation. Then it will appear as though you're going back to lessons, people, individuals that you thought you were done with, but hey, not yet. Life has a funny way of preparing you and giving you that inner strength, that discernment through experiences in order for you to handle where you're going. I always say the individual you are right now today may not have the capacity to hold your dream and vision if it becomes a reality. You will fold under it. Meaning, there are many lessons you're going to learn along your path. That level of faith that is immovable, where you know without a doubt that you were sent to do a certain project, a certain thing, and even through difficulty and delays, you stand and continue showing up, saying yes every day, I'm in, until you see it to fruition. Then there comes the point of expansion, where everything about you will be tested. Your resources will be tested, your mind will be tested, your physical body, your ability to forgive, your ability to keep your eye on the goal, because we all have a ceiling of some of whatever reason, right? We have a ceiling where we think this is our capacity. But then when expansion comes, expansion is saying, let's break the ceiling and go further. Now that means to you, change. Become the person who can handle this expansion. Become the person who can share this vision with other people so that they can join you in carrying this vision and bringing it to light. So many things are involved, and what discourages us the most is we give up too soon, especially if you know you've had that vision. You are sure you didn't copy it from anywhere, you didn't pick an idea from a friend, a family member, or a cousin, and you're trying to run with their vision. That doesn't work, you'll fold. But the vision that has been dropped in your heart, oh yes, that one, you hold on to every truth and every inkling that you've seen, heard, whether you dreamt it or it just dropped and you wrote it down. You keep building brick by brick. At some point, once the capacity has been built in you, the vision will take off without too much assistance from you because these visions have a mind of their own and almost their own personality in every way. So don't be discouraged. Visions and transformation is in levels. Mainly it starts from you, then it goes to others. Avoid trying to change others, change yourself, then the frequency around you and the vibe around you will naturally attract those who are to go with you and will kind of repel those who are not interested in you. You know, so with time you start to look around and you start realizing your circle of friends is so small, and that is intentional because all the time wasters, the energy vampires have really gone. They have no interest in you. You're not as exciting as they thought you would be. So be bold, go forward. Don't get discouraged if you feel your transformation is not going as fast as you need it. We have to respect times and seasons, how things work. And for that, as you transform, you'll be able to bring your vision into reality and then sustain it to its fullest capacity. That is the main point, to be able to sustain that capacity that you've built within you. As always, it's Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon.